Hello my beautiful people, welcome again to my channel. It's your girl Lily Jaff. If you are here for your first time, you are at the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to fry your plantains or how to fry your banana, ripe banana. So like we usually call it in Cameroon, dodo. So I'm going to show you how I fried mine. And before I move forward, please kindly do me the following. Here are my bananas, guys, already washed thoroughly. So I'm going to peel off the peelings and slice at various shapes that I like. Here it is. So straightly, I'm going to cut them into sizes that I love. Here is the oval shape, so you can do it anyhow you want it. Already, this is my oil on the fire already heated. Just dropping in my bananas. And this is how I'm going to do it till the end. I have to check it minute by minute to avoid the burning. With this, you can eat it with dole, you can eat it with sauce, you can eat it with vegetable. You can also eat it with roasted fish. There are so many things which you can eat the frying plantain or frying banana. And the color is giving it very well. Look at the color, it's changing from white to brown. So I'll keep checking on it minute by minute. We are almost there. Please make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are watching for your first time. And also share it. 1,000,000 thanks to my subscribers. 1,000,000 thanks to all my returning subscribers. And those who are watching without subscribing, I also appreciate it. It means a lot to me. We are almost there. The color is changing. It's changing, and we will soon get there. Thanks a million once more. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and also comment. God bless you. Stay tuned for more videos on games, more videos on cooking, and fun videos as well. Stay connected, stay tuned for more videos. Please turn on your notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be notified immediately. And also help me share to your friends, your neighbor, your brother, your sister. Here is the final touch. Here is the end product of it. Thanks a million once more. Stay connected. Goodbye.